Imagine making nearly $2,000 just by listening to your favorite music tracks. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you that in 2024, this dream could become your reality? This isn't your typical online money-making scheme. It's a game changer that's tackling the usual challenges head-on. No more tedious tasks or confusing platforms. Just you, your tunes, and a potential payout of $1,950. Stay tuned as we unveil this exciting opportunity. Now let's dive into the platform that makes this possible. Imagine a platform that combines your love for music with the possibility of earning money. This isn't some far-fetched dream, but a reality. It's a place where the beats and rhythms you love so much can turn into a steady stream of income. Let's take a closer look at this. This platform is a unique music streaming service that pays you for listening to music. Yes, you heard that right. You're not the one paying to listen to music. Instead, you're the one getting paid. So you must be wondering, how does it work? Well, it's quite simple. The platform pays you in points for each song you listen to. These points can later be converted into cash, gift cards, or even used for charity donations. The more you listen, the more you earn. Getting started is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you sign up for a free account. Make sure to provide an accurate email address, as this will be your ticket to earning. After signing up, you'll need to fill out a brief profile. This helps the platform understand your music preferences, so they can tailor the music selections to your taste. Once the profile is complete, you're ready to start earning. The platform is user-friendly and easy to navigate. You'll see a list of songs or playlists to choose from. Simply click on a song and let the music play. As the music plays, the points start rolling in. The beauty of this platform is its versatility. Whether you're working, studying, or just lounging around, you can have this platform running in the background, earning you money while you go about your day. So what's stopping you? With a library filled with millions of songs, from the classics to the latest chart toppers, this platform offers you a unique opportunity to make money while doing something you love. With this platform, you're just a few clicks away from making money while enjoying your favorite tunes. You're probably wondering, how does this work? Well, it's easier than you think. First off, you'll need to sign up to the platform. It's a simple process that requires just an email address and some basic personal information. Once your account is set up, you're ready to dive into the world of music and money. Now let's break down the main tasks involved. The primary task is to listen to music. Yes, you heard that right. You get to sit back, relax, and listen to your favorite tunes. Each song you listen to will earn you points. These points are then converted into cash, but that's not all. There's more ways to earn. You can also review the music you listen to, share your thoughts, give feedback, and earn extra points. And don't worry, you don't need to be a professional critic. Just be honest and speak from the heart. And the fun doesn't stop there. You can even participate in daily and weekly contests. These contests involve a range of fun activities like predicting the next big hit or creating the best playlist. The winners get bonus points, which means more money in your pocket. Now you might be thinking, how much can I actually earn? Well, it varies. The amount you earn depends on the number of tasks you complete. But to give you an idea, if you listen to music for a couple of hours a day and participate in the contests, you could potentially earn up to $1,950. And remember, all of this is free. The process is straightforward and the tasks are enjoyable. You're not only earning money, but you're also discovering new music, improving your listening skills, and having fun. And just like that, you're earning money while simply listening to music. Ever imagine this? You're lounging in your favorite chair, earbuds in, listening to your favorite tunes. You're not just enjoying the music, you're earning money. Not just a few dollars here and there. We're talking about a potential of $1,950. Now let's put that into perspective. There are countless ways to make money online. You could fill out surveys, but those often pay pennies for your time. You could try your hand at freelance work, but that often requires a specific skill set and a lot of time. You could even try starting your own online business, but that comes with its own challenges and risks. But with this method, you're simply listening to music. It's something you'd probably do anyway, right? It's easy, it's enjoyable, and it has a huge potential for earnings. And the best part is that anyone can do it. You don't need any special skills or qualifications. You don't need to invest any money up front, you just need to enjoy music. But it's not just about the money, it's about the freedom this method offers. You can listen to music and earn money wherever you are, whether that's at home, on your commute, or even on vacation. You're not tied to a desk or a schedule. You have the freedom to earn when and where it suits you. And let's not forget the enjoyment factor. You're not just earning money, you're enjoying something you love. That's a powerful combination. It's not often that you find a method of making money that is also genuinely enjoyable. The potential here is enormous, and the best part is, you're having fun while making money. So why not give it a try? You've got nothing to lose and potentially a lot to gain. And remember, music is not just for the ears, it can also be for the wallet. So there you have it, a simple and enjoyable way to make nearly $2,000 just by listening to music. Let's take a moment to recap what we've covered today. We kicked off by exploring the power of music, a universal language that soothes, invigorates, and inspires us. But did we ever imagine that it could also be a source of income? That's right. We've unveiled the surprising proposition of earning money by simply immersing ourselves in the melodies we love. Then we delved into the platform that makes this all possible. A platform that's user-friendly, accessible, and above all, free. A platform that allows you to convert your love for music into a steady stream of income. Yes, it's real, and yes, it's happening in 2024. Next, we walked through the process, step by step. We learned how to navigate the platform, how to select songs, and how to provide valuable feedback. We discovered that the more we engage, the more we earn. And the beauty of it is that it's not just about the money, it's about enjoying the journey, discovering new artists, and enriching our musical horizons. We also highlighted the benefits of this method. No more tedious surveys, no more complicated tasks, just you, your headphones, and a world of music waiting to be explored. And while you're at it, you're patting your wallet too. So the potential is there, it's real, it's tangible, it's almost $2,000 worth of potential, to be precise. And the method, it's as easy as hitting play, listening, and sharing your thoughts, that's it. But remember, like any other opportunity, the key is to be consistent. The more you listen, the more you earn. So why not turn your daily commute, your workout session, or your downtime into an opportunity to make money? After all, who wouldn't want to get paid for doing something they love? And the benefits don't end with the money. This is also an opportunity to discover new music, to broaden your musical tastes, and to contribute to the success of artists worldwide. It's a win-win situation for music lovers and musicians alike. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing money-making tips. And if you've tried this method, share your experiences in the comments below. Happy listening and happy earning.